Welcome to our short video how to reach the Poda Conservation Center. We travel in the main road between Burgas and Sozopol. We just left Sozopol about 5 to 6 kilometers ago, and if we look right now in our left, you will see the Conservation Center. And the important is don't miss to turn to the right. It's just right after 50 meters from a petrol oil station. There we go, petrol oil station. Значи пътуваме от пътя Бургас за Созопол. Напуснахме Бургас преди 7-8 км и веднага след бензиностанция Петрол следваме табелите за Крайморие. So we turn to the left and after that to the right and after that to the left. So we follow signs to Craymoria. Pay attention to the stop sign. So we keep on going. So завиваме за Крайморие и правиме обратен завой отново за Бургас. So we turn it again left. It's time to Burgas. So we make a U-turn. Но в общемията кратка е видео, которое показывает нас как попасть в природозащитный центр Пода, где мы можно увидеть десятки видов птицы, которые постоянно живут. И вот такие дураки, надо осторожно с ними, они какие-то долбоёбы есть. Европа приехали, думают, что здесь как Европа. So we keep on going back to Burgas. You see the turns which we made. Here we go. We have one sign here, which means Poda. And there was a bus station, which buses like 16 and 5 go. So we turn to the left in this road. It's somewhere around opposite to the petrol station. And we keep on going to this one back road, which is, we keep on going, and there is a old German bridge built in 1940s by Germans during the Second World War. See, the bridge is still in use. Careful about some few holes. And over there is a view to Burgas, and you keep on driving about a few hundred meters, and there is a protected area Poda, and there is a building of Poda. И вот, когда проезжали через этот мостик, мы уже в заповеднике Пода. Это заповедник, где можно посмотреть очень много птиц, которые гнездят в этом местности. Но, в общем,